How does DINGYANG turn a simple sketch into reality? First, design. DINGYANG will creatively draw sketches based on the customer's ideas and store floor plan, and then render 3D design drawings. The 3D design drawings allow customers to see the store effect in advance. Second, produce. After the customer confirms the 3D design drawings, we will make a construction drawing, and DINGYANG will strictly produce jewelry display cabinets according to the construction drawing, and strictly control the quality in the process. Third, installation and packaging. Before delivery, we will assemble all the jewelry display showcase. After strict inspection, we will use professional packaging and carefully load it onto the container with a forklift. Finally, transportation and after-sale service. We provide door-to-door shipment services and ensure customers will receive all the showcases smoothly and safely. And we also provides timely, technical support for customers during the installation and use of the jewelry showcases. Welcome to contact us.